talaga yung championship kasi yun yung talagang pinaghirapan namin as a team. Everything else talagang bonus na lang talaga yun para sa amin. Kasi sa Cream 9, like sabi naman ni Kylie, it's really one team, one family kami, and yung goal naman namin is not really individual, pero manalo kami as a team. So yun talaga yung pinaka-goal, and super happy kasi nagawa namin ito sama-sama, and happy because Erica can also leave on a high note and leave with another win. So, Erica.
Yeah, for Erica. Aside from the championship, you also won the Best Outside Hitter Award.
I'm just ecstatic, but honestly, it's just been great playing with this team, and I think it's just a testament to how good my teammates are. So I was really lucky to come into such a talented team with such a great group of girls. But yeah, winning Best Outside Hitter, I couldn't have done it without my teammates. Kylie, best of it. Like it's honestly just really a team effort. So overall, I'm just like MD said, so excited that I ended on a high note here.
MD, yun nga, ilang araw pa lang nakakalipas na nag-champion kayo na reinforced invitational lang. Tapos, yun nga, umpisa pa lang nung invitational, todo-todo pa rin yung laro mo. Ano lang pakiramdam na nasuklian ng first MVP mo sa PBL and championship na rin?
Super happy kasi meron pa. Siyempre, thank you din kay Coach sa tiwala, thank you sa mga teammates ko. So, super happy lang talaga, and I feel so blessed. Thank you din kay Lord dahil wala talaga nangyari sa amin this season, and yun naman talaga yung pinaka-prayer namin na no injuries. Konting sakit okay lang, pero kaya pa. So, thankful lang talaga and sobrang blessed.
MG, it's been asked for the last two conferences and champion kayo. Would you think that the state title has been the hardest championship and the most challenging championship that you've won?
I think kita naman namin sa game kanina, sobrang hindi madali, pero pinaghihirapan talaga, and lagi naman sinasabi sa amin ni Coach, the games won't be easy, lalo na lahat ng kalaban namin gusto matalo Cream 9. And especially sa finals, and yung season nga na tuloy-tuloy, mahirap.
Kasama ko lang din talaga yung pinanghawakan ko. Binabalik ko lang din talaga yung tiwala na binibigay nila sa akin. I'm happy na nagre-rescope ito. Yun po.
For LG, since college, success at saka yung championship has really followed you. Siguro what has been the key siguro over the years na whether it's starting or whether it's off the bench, parang nakaka-produce na talaga for the team and with championship runs.
Malakas talaga kami kay Lord, sobra-sobra. As in, grabe yung tiwala lang din talaga, and yung tiwala lang din talaga sa teammates. I think I've been blessed to be part of amazing teams na talagang ready to fight all the time, and to also be led by coaches that give it their best din every time sa training, every time sa court. And talagang siguro yung love lang talaga namin for each other. I think na nagagawa namin every time we step into the court. I think nakikita naman din talaga ng lahat yun. Kung gaano namin ka-love yung ginagawa namin, and kung gaano kami ka-thankful na nandito kami sa posisyon na to, and kung gaano namin ka-love din maglaro, playing with each other.
For Erica, back-to-back, two straight championships for you in your first pro career. I guess, what does this mean for you? At such an early age, you've already achieved a lot.
I'm excited, but like I said, just lucky and blessed to have come into a program that has known such success, and just kind of be able to do my job to help with these last two championships. So yeah, I think I just really lucked out with my first pro stint, having such a great team that has known championships. They know what it takes to win and work hard every day. So I was really able to kind of look to them for that inspiration, even on the hard days, just know that they're pushing themselves and they're competing to win championships every day. So that's something that I can take into the rest of my career, is just working hard, pushing myself even on days that I'm tired, days that I might not necessarily want to wake up early and go to practice, just kind of have them be inspiring me.
Bibigay ko yung pinaka maganda kong kayang bigay at sila na baka.
For Gemma, ano lang yung naramdaman mo nung na-score mo yung championship point na nagkompleto nung Grand Slam? Kumbaga, kahit late addition ka na nitong invitational, nakatulong ka pa rin sa team.
Actually, kinakabahan po ako. Kasi, ayun nga, hindi lang yung preparation namin. Halos hindi talaga ako na trainings kasama sila. So, medyo yun yung may kaba. Pero, sabi ko lang sa isip ko, ako na to, ako na, tatapusin ko na to para sa kanila. So, parang, alam mo yun, pag iniisip ko yung mga ganun is, ganyan, ang sarap sa feeling. Kasi yan, ang sarap yung mga pressure na dumadating. So, ayun, talagang ginagrab ko lang din, nilalagyan ko siya. Kasi doon ka rin talaga matututo. Yun lang, medyo may kaba lang, pero lagi lang sila lang naman iniisip ko.
For Kyle, bago magsimula yung meditation, or bago magsimula yung reinforce, nung alam niyo mawawala si Liza, si Jeremy, si Ron, si Miguel, nagkaroon pa kahit konti naman siguro pangamba or concern na kung maitatawid nyo rin ba yung season yung the way you live every other year or buong-buo pa rin ang kumpiyansa kahit may mga kulang na sila?
Siyempre, buong-buo pa rin yung kumpiyansa natin. Tulad nga ng palagi ko rin sinasabi, ang advantage namin this conference ay kahit na may mga nawala, kami, Creamline, matagal na kami magkakasama. So, walang problema kahit sinong nasa loob. Alam ng bawat isa sa amin yung role nila and gagawin namin yung role namin and yung respeto din talaga namin sa isa't isa at sa mga sacrifice and sa paghihirap ng bawat isa. Siguro yun lang din talaga yung pinanghawakan namin this season. And happy kami na di naman kulang. Sabi nga ni Bossing, 7 lang naman naglalaro sa loob ng court. So, sobra pa nga.
Sabi nga namin eh. 21 eh.
So, yun nga, sabi nga ni Bossing, Creamline pa rin. Masasabi ko lang po na ganun kalaki talaga sila ka-love. Siyempre, alam ko ganun sila kapagod sa dalawang magkasunod na season. So, magkasabi ko siya, ako na lang may bala. Kasi ako may mahabang pahinga. So, ako rin naman yung may chance din makapaglaro. So, bibigay ko na rin naman yung larong to para sa kanila, syempre, and para sa kanila.
For Coach and Joe, bilang siguro dalawa sa longest serving players ng Creamline. Nung sumali po sa Creamline, or nung nabunod Creamline noong 2017, nakita niyo po ba ito in the long run na kayo yung magiging isang team na pinaka-dominant sa TVL, maraming championships? Kung ba nasa expectation niyo po ba the first time you joined Creamline na mangyayari lahat na?
Siyempre, kasi yung nag-start yung Creamline talaga, supportive na talaga yung management. So, number 1 talaga is management. Makikita mo na magsasuccess talaga yung team. So, sobrang supportive nila. Support sa financial ng mga players. So, sobrang supportive nila. Nakikita namin talaga magsasuccess yung Creamline. Because number 1 naman talaga is management.
Ano din, so may sistema din kasi hindi siya nabago. Kumbaga nadagdagan pa nga na dumating sa akin si Coach. And, tsaka, ang tagal na namin magkakasama. So, I think yun yung isang factor din kung bakit kami nakakuha ng championship. Yung gel ng isang team. Kaya,